interesting AI tool, which is newly launched and one of the powerful AI tool uh, which help you to you know which help actually teachers to make their classes or their work easily. So basically, today we are going to review AI school AI school builder, which is a newly launched AI software which software AI allow to AI to teach your student on autopilot basis. Or AI can teach any subject like as you uh, as you study in the school. Breakthrough the AI lets you launch a full AI school powered by Google Cloud Fable 5, where the realistic AI teacher teach math, science, biology, geography, history, English, any subject 24 by 7. Run a real digital school, not boring pre-recorded lessons. So there is AI teacher live teaching to the student, not recording session. Get paid monthly subscription from every student, recurring income on autopilot basis. And you can pay only one time for this software. This software generate you the recurring income on autopilot basis every month. Designed to make one $10,000 per month from single AI school. No monthly fees, no student limits, and no multiple subscription needed. So what is in the AI school? Build AI digital school, human like AI teacher, lifelike tutor, a lifelike AI tutor that talks, explain, take live classes from the real teacher, like a real teacher. Teach any subject, math, science, biology, geography, history, English, coding, and more subject AI can teach. Live or voice teaching. Natural AI explain the lesson step by step, just like classroom. Smart Q&A, 30 plus languages, auto quiz and test, student progress tracker, custom course and classes, fully branded school, your own custom domain, and you can add your custom domain built in payment collection and payment gateway integration, automatic traffic booster, SEO friendly school website, work on any device, commercial license included, lifetime access, future update included, beginner friendly. This is some of the features, which is amazing feature, and which is one of the good software I think I have seen ever. So this is some of the demo
No
video. They
hiring
have
teachers,
explainer
no
video. They
paying
explain this
salaries, no
peacefully.
building anything from
You
scratch.
have to must check out this video, how this AI classes actually work. And this is the price is 14.95 cents. That is $15. This is the front end price. There is a back end, and there is so many upsell and downsell. This is a very one of the good software which is launched in the market. So the AI teaching is the where is the money is. But the problem is running a real school. It isn't cheap. It's require lots of money, lots of thing. No, so that's why this AI school builder has launched, and that's build you the complete digital school where the human like AI teacher take live classes from the student in any of the subject. So I'll show you some the demo video of this uh, AI teacher.
Hello, and welcome to AI School Builder. Build your own digital school where realistic AI teachers take fully interactive live classes for your students. Launch a complete AI powered school in minutes. No pre recorded videos, no boring lessons, just realistic AI teachers that answer questions and teach students in real time. Let's see how it works. After logging in, you'll arrive at your dashboard, where you can manage your entire AI-powered school from one place. Let's begin with AI teachers. Here you'll find realistic AI teachers ready to teach math, science, biology, geography, history, English, computer science, and virtually any subject. Let's start a live class with Daniel Brooks, our math teacher. Simply click Start Live Class, choose your
The demo video of the AI school builder. This is the you definitely check out the this video. This is one of the how this is they where they explain the how this software actually works, and there is so many bonuses they offer, and they also offer 30-day money back guarantee if you don't satisfy with the purchase. 100% purchase risk free. So and also offers so many bonuses, and we also offer some bonuses from our end if you purchase from our link. So go and check out the link